Hey everyone, welcome back to my crypto trading bot journey. We are on day 2/3 of this journey. I didn't get to do an update last night, so I'm combining day 2 and 3. I want to show you guys how the bot's going. I did get to add one more bot, but before I get into actual bots, wanted to continue our discussion of what's happening in the crypto universe at large. So the past couple of days, both the crypto and stock markets, they've been collapsing, and we talked about it in the last video. But there's a possible black swan event with Evergrande and China. Well, yesterday Jerome Powell and the Fed they spoke, and Jerome Powell basically reiterated that he wasn't going to raise interest rates, and then there was no news that the Evergrande situation in China may not turn into a global issue after all. So now it's Thursday, and Evergrande they have a bond payment due today. It looks like from what I've been reading, it looks like they haven't paid it yet, but it looks like the markets haven't reacted negatively by it. We will see in a couple days if this is an issue, but it's looking like this was just FUD instead of a black swan. And FUD, like I mentioned in the last video, is fear, uncertainty, and doubt. Now, FUD, it happens all the time in the crypto space, whether it's noted economists saying that crypto is going to zero, or China saying for the 10th or 12th time that they are banning crypto. Time crypto is getting on a roll, and it's an attempt for people to sell the crypto. I don't know if you remember day zero, you know, Bitcoin was on the verge of breaking 50,000, and this FUD came out and it crashed all the way to 40, actually under 40 to 39,000. So yeah, it's crazy. It happens every single time. I've been in crypto since 2017 I should say, and I've seen so much FUD. At first, when you get into crypto, you get worried by every news headline that you see. But if you're just getting started in your crypto journey, don't get fooled by all the headlines, and just continue to hodl. Or in the case of why you're watching this video, just keep your bot going, and you just set it and forget it. And that's what I'm noticing with these bots. You just kind of set them and forget it, and they just kind of do their own thing. So let's get into the bots. So here we go. Bitsgap. Here's my okay, so here we go. Here's my bots. It is day 2 actually. So actually on day 2 I did get approved in my new account. I'm using the bot on 2 coins that I already have in my account, so I didn't need to put any new funds in. I already had this coin pair for this one. I already had this, my new bot. I already had this coin pair in my account, so I didn't need to add new funds into it. So just like in my first bot, I started with $3,000. I started last night, and as you can see right here, it's been on for 19 hours and 6 minutes. It's actually done 12 trades, and it has a profit of 87 cents. So 12 trades by 87 cents, that's only a 0.03% profit. And the value, even though it's 87 cents, so the value here is actually the value of the coin pair is actually going up as well, so that's why it's up a little bit. Let's see, the second bot, or I'm sorry, the first bot I had, it's been running for 2 days and 20 hours now, and it's made $52, and that is a 1.77% return. And this added to the actual pair going up in value because of the FUD, reversing. It's I'm up a little bit. So this is the sum of the total bot profit. So it's maybe $53 with these 2 bots for a 0.90% return. And the total profit and loss for both bots, including the coin pairs going up in value over the past couple of days, is $344. So let me just show you exactly what the bot does every day. So let me scroll up a little bit here. So here's the chart of the bot actually doing what it does. So this is when I started the bot, and as you can see, the red dots, that's when it sells, and the green is when it buys. So it just does this automatically pretty much while I'm doing other things, set and forget it. Like if I mentioned this in my first video, but I don't have time to be sitting and making trades like this every day. So this, the bot actually just goes on autopilot. You set it and forget it, and I I'm coming back every day just to show you the journey. But I could come back in a year, and this would have done so many trades, and hopefully the profit is a little bit more than 0.9%. But we'll have to see over this next couple of days or and weeks, actually months, just to see what we're doing over here. So I only did the two coins so far, or the two bots so far. I'm debating for a couple more I want to add. The debate is if I use the coins that I already have in my account, or if I find some new coin pairs that may be more profitable than the coins that I actually have in my account. So, I'm in no rush to decide. Like I said, I'm going to be doing this journey for a long time, so you'll be able to follow along with me. I have decided though that I am going to start off with 5 bots at $3,000 each, just like these two bots. They're all going to start at $3,000, and my initial investment is going to be $15,000. And here's the stats for the 3 days. All right. So for the 3 days, I'm putting it all in a spreadsheet, and I'm gonna have 5 bots, $3,000 each. I'm gonna put the date that I started each bot and the actual returns. So actual returns, bot profits are 52.87, just like we just saw. And yeah, I'm excited about this. Okay, so someone messaged me asking me what the bot and the program is. So the program I actually purchased is called The Plan by Dan Hollings. Now, Dan Hollings, he spent a few years and a couple $1 million testing different bots out and found the settings and the bots that actually work. I'm actually in beta group 2, and it was closed for new members, but I just heard today actually that it opened back up for beta group 3 and will be open for the next 5 days. I don't know how many people they're going to let in to this beta group, but if you're interested, take a look below. I can't really tell you if it's either way, if it's worth it or not, as I'm only 3 days into actual live money on this, right? So far it does look like it's going to be making profit. I think it really does depend on the coin pairs I use, but it looks like it's working on any bot pair. So I can't tell you either way, if it's worth it or not. But I'm because it's only 3 days in with my actual money. But feel free to follow along on my journey. But if you do want to get in and join me at the same time, and we can do this together, the link to the sign up for the beta is below. But please, if you are enjoying this journey, please do subscribe and smash that like button. I've always wanted to say that, but it really does help me grow this page. I'm sorry, this channel. So I'm glad to have you join me on my journey. And like I said in my last video, fiat and gold is dead. Crypto is the future, and the future is now. See you on the next video.